G'day, I'm Davis from Smarter Air. To get the best performance out of your system and to ensure the air your family breathes is clean, we recommend getting a professional air conditioning service at least once per year. Let's head on inside and see how it's done. As your air conditioner filters and conditions the air in your room, it slowly collects dust, mold spores and other harmful microbes over time, which need to be cleaned from the coil. To thoroughly clean your split system, we first isolate the power and remove the fascia to expose the coil. Then we connect the bag to collect the waste and keep your home clean. We first apply a hospital-grade cleaning solution to the coil to sanitize it and break down the contaminants, then rinse them away with high-pressure water. While we are waiting for the indoor unit to dry, we clean the filters to ensure they are free from dust and dirt. We also check and clean the outdoor unit and can apply an optional anti-corrosion and gecko protection to your system at the same time. Before reassembling the indoor unit, we apply a hospital-grade disinfectant to the coils, leaving the system sanitized so your family is left breathing nothing but clean air.